Alright, so here's day 5 of me opening up WWE cards. So we do this one. So let's see what we get. Hopefully we get autograph or something. That would be pretty cool. But we'll see. Bruh, this is hard to open. The heritage ones are easier to open compared to these. Just right there. Just right there. Got it. Hold on, it's losing focus. There we go. It's right there. There we go. Oh man, that was a bit too hard for me. But we got it. So here is Big E wins the SmackDown Tag Team Championship for the New Day. Here's the back. Here is Otis. Here's Goldberg. And here is the Street Profits defeat Angel Garza and Austin Theory. Damn, this is pretty. Oh, this I think this is whenever they were with. No, never mind. I just said I thought this is whenever he was with Seth Rollins, but I don't think he was. I don't remember. Anyways, that's it for this video. Have a good one.